about time for a damn, maybe a summer haircut or something. Me and Reagan are going to get a Polaris Ace.
Yeah.
150. We're gonna try and get it running and let Ray go and ride it. So let's go get it picked up real quick. Pretty good deal.
Gonna do some drifts?
Yeah, as long as it's not trying to tip over. Was it?
No.
Buckle in, do it over here where I can see you. Some drifts. Explain to them what you're talking about when you say a drift.
I'll show you.
All right, be careful. Pretty cool, huh? Reagan wanted me to pull through downtown real quick. Let him take a looky look. This is the first place me and your mom went and rode our Ruckus and our Grom. Oh, bite me. Nope, don't do it. I'll smash into your BMW gladly. You'll buy me a new truck. It's like you can afford it. Pretty neat down here, huh? A lot of big buildings in there.
Too many.
Checked out the little dog park.
That's a school.
Yep.
What?
Probably more like a college campus, probably.
Oh, yeah.
Try giving her a little gas. Floor it. Okay, so it's gonna run?
Yeah.
Cool, we get back, we'll fix it up, okay?
Okay.
Turn off the key. All right, back at it on this thing. So, a couple guesses here. I thought the starter was going bad, so it wasn't cranking. It sounded like either the engine was locked up or it was just dragging the starter, not actually turning the motor over. I tapped the starter a bit with this hammer and pick, and then man, there's ants out here. I tapped on it with the hammer and pick, trying to get the starter to free up. Then it cranked up. I'm wondering if this EFI, because it was slow cranking, and because that it wasn't starting, I wonder if the EFI flooded the engine and kind of somewhat gas locked it. Brake on, Reagan. Turn the key over, see what happens. Try and start it. Give it a little gas. All right, stop. There we go. That's back to black on there. This isn't. I like this stuff better in the, I'll show it to you in a minute because it stays on longer, but watch this right here, boys. And then she's back to black, just like it says. It can be back to red, you can be back to black. Look at that, dudes. Take that. Now, I'll be honest with you, when you spray this in there, it's going to smell a little bit like a porta potty. I think that's just the bubblegum flavor. Try it, Reagan. Easy, hold on, watch. See how close you were and it left that big mark? Right out here, look. You can always get closer, okay? You can't back that off, see? Just back up, you're way too close. Yep. You can get a little closer. All right, boy, come here. If you get the black to be black again, then the red's gonna look more red. You don't even have to touch the red, it's gonna look a lot better. Just getting the black again, by contrast, right?
Yeah.
See how much redder this looks now because this is actually black?
Yeah.
All right, dang, we got a lot more to do. Then rubbing this other stuff on. Fuel injector cleaner. Like this here. See this stuff, boys? Goes right in the gas tank. So we pour this into the gasoline, and it's going to help clean the inside of the motor and the injectors. Not much, there ain't much gas in there. Use a chamois cloth, and it lasts a long time, longer than the spray. Dang, boy. Oh, it's got a light bar, does it work?
Yeah, let's see. Oh.
Is that
It blinked. Oh.
Oh well.
It doesn't work.
Weird. I don't know why she died on us. So we slapped a new battery in her because what was happening is it'd run about halfway down the driveway and it would die. So now we got a new battery in it. We tested it. We cleaned out the air filter and the air box, and we tested it on the stand for about a minute, wide open, right?
Yeah.
I think we're good to try it. What is that, Reagan? What is that?
2017 Polaris Ace.
150?
Yeah.
EFI, boys. Let's see what she's got. Buckle up real quick. Mom wants you to wear a helmet, but you're just gonna test this real quick and then you're gonna get a helmet, okay? Buckle her in. Give her hell. Go see what she does. I put it for you. Ooh, that one's coming up, boys. 670 Rotax build. So I didn't make it any farther than that last time and it died. I'm thinking it's because of the battery. Because we just put a new battery in it, now it's not doing it. I think it was just, it could have been, honestly guys, might not even been a battery. It might have been the battery connections. So I probably could have tightened them up. I tried charging the battery and it was weak. Like it would slow crank it. Once it died the first time, wouldn't hardly crank it back up. Wires didn't feel loose, so new battery seems to have solved it. He likes that, dude.
The whole way.
What you think? Let me check out this light now. No, that ain't for it. All right, you gonna ride it around?
Yeah.
All right, let's see you, dog. Give it a little pop. See if it'll spin the tires. Stick it real quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's your cockpit view, boys. You got your neutral, your reverse. You got a little gear indicator here for reverse neutral, and it's got a check engine light. Red for stop. This one for go. E-brake. Not bad. Run pretty good, boys. Let's see if she'll do a burnout. She runs, dudes.
Can I do some drifts?
Yeah, as long as it's not trying to tip over. Was it?
No.
Buckle in, do it over here where I can see you. Some drifts. Explain to them what you're talking about when you say a drift. You getting it sideways when you're turning?
I'll show you.
All right, be careful. Keep your arms inside the vehicle. If you flip it over, don't let go of the steering wheel, because if you put your arm out, you're going to break it. Okay, don't do that again. Don't do that again. You're gonna flip that sucker over. That's not how you do that. Oh my goodness. Did y'all see that? What in the... He's just going full speed and yanks the wheel to the left and calls it a drift. Oh my goodness. Here comes the Tokyo Drift Kid. What do you think? Saw it, dude. It's pretty cool, right? Tell him, get up in there.
Yeah, get up in the...
Oh, you don't have to do that. Jeez, boy, you're gonna hurt somebody. All right, here we go, boys. Let's see. Here on the forehead, maybe. Damn, all you're gonna see is the light bar. I might ought to just hold you, dudes. I think I'm gonna have to just hold you. So, because on my head, this is all you're gonna see. It's in the woods, dogs. Take me across the creek. Here we go. Yup. hoppers of grass. Oh look, happy birthday. Cool. Another hopper of grass. Grab both hands. That brought it a little more comfortable. I'm bouncing. Oh, no. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Y'all see it die on me just there? I finally figured out what was wrong. This little piece that covers this gas gauge has broken off. This thing's was sitting outside. That's why the plastics were faded. We got water in our fuel, boys. And that's why intermittently we're dying, because I checked the electrical this time. I thought it was an electrical connection. Popped her in neutral, still had it, and was able to feather the gas through it. I know that there's got to be water in that fuel. So I'm going to empty the whole thing. We'll be able to see. I'll be able to see it separate. Come meet me at the shop. I'll tell you what we got going on. If you watch that BW200 video, this is coming up here, and you'd know it. Rotax 670 Odyssey build. BW Banshee, we should be posting a riding video this week. Come on, dudes. Daihatsu Jumbo Jet. I bought 3 of these. I got to pick 2 of them up in Arkansas. But I got this one already. It runs and drives good. It's a fun little truck. But we're going to paint it. And I've already got some tires coming for it. We're going to do the bed liner. And a few other little things. And it'll be ready for sale. So get up in there, dudes. And I got 2 more too. So appreciate you, boys. We got one more. Got one more coming at you. So don't think I forgot about you guys. Help build this channel. Shoot. These quads made me the man I am today. Check it out. Blaster guys, I didn't forget about you. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. Said it might need a top end rebuild. Definitely needs some tires. I don't know. I haven't unloaded it yet. So just bought it. Video coming soon, dudes. Appreciate you, Blaster dudes. Appreciate you, Blaster. You Blaster men.